and welcome back to Rochielin. Guess what day it is today? Just guess. Yes, it is DIY day. We'll be redoing a whole dresser, making it look new, making it look a little more modern, and just a little nicer overall. So it's going to be an exciting journey, so I'm going to encourage you to keep on watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me at Rochielin on all my social media pages, and comment below and let me know like what's your favorite part about this video, and if you would have done the same thing that I'm about to do or not. Alright, so let's get into the video. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So this is the dresser. I'm about to go get the drawers to put back inside, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a decent dresser, but it's kind of old school and we want it to look more modern. So let's go get the dresser drawers real quick. So we just brought the dresser around and we're about to start, and Sean is here. Say hello.
Hey, what's up?
Alright, so he has the sander. You just put on the sandpaper, right?
Yep.
What grade is that?
So this is a 60. You can use a 60 or 80. If you're first starting off, the lower the number, the better or the rougher the sanding will be.
Okay.
So the more you get off, the lower the grade.
Alright, cool. So let's get to work. I'm gonna place you guys over here. Ooh, did you guys see that?
We're sanding in order to repaint the dresser. We're gonna do, actually we're gonna surprise you with the color, but we're gonna repaint this dresser in a different color. We're gonna do a whole remake of it, but we needed the paint to stick, so we got to get that wood finish or that wood color, just the raw wood, in order to get that paint on. Because
right now as you can see, like there's this stain on it and this glossy finish, so we need to get all this glossiness off and get it down to, you know, get it down to the wood color, the natural color, as close to it as possible, so that we can add the color and then we can have it looking good.
So it have like a clear coat over, like a protective shield that is sticking to the sandpaper whenever we're using it. So we'll have to get something to strip the clear seal in order to finish sanding this.
Yeah, because it leaves these patches, right?
And in fact, I have to press real hard to get these patches, so to get behind the clear seal so we can get these patches.
Okay.
So we're about to make a quick run.
We're about to head to get something real quickly to clear it off, to help the process to move a little faster, and then we can come back. I notice I'm saying we, even though I'm just sitting over here with the camera, but you know, it's we. So we finally just got back. It took us so long because we actually stopped to get food as well. So now we're about to start, and Virus is here.
What grade sandpaper are you?
Say hello. Hi. So about to suit up and gear up. Got the protective goggles. Gonna put on some gloves. Really?
Well protected.
Alright. So we end up getting this stripper, and we were trying to find some tutorials online with this, but we couldn't find any that would really help us. So it's trial and error. We'll give it a review at the end to tell you if it actually did the stripping, but it's supposed to strip off the stain, and it says it works in 15 minutes. So we're gonna save the line or not. So we need to time it.
We'll leave it for about 20 minutes.
Like 25?
25 minutes, and we're about to see if it's gonna actually strip the clear coat that they put on it.
Alright.
And let's see for the first. Oh, kind of firm. Like we're gonna have to do this another time or two.
Okay, let me come in up. Ooh. This is so much simpler than the sander.
Yeah. So as we get closer to the edge here, it gets more difficult to get off. Maybe we needed to apply more of the stripper on that edge. But as you can see, the middle part of it is coming off pretty easily. You have to exert some kind of force, but it comes off pretty easily. You can see all the goo from all that clear coat build up, and whatever they call this thing here.
It is clear that the stripper that we bought, that we weren't too sure about, it's clear that it actually works. So if you're doing your DIY project and you need something to strip the clear coat and the stain off of your wood furniture, you can definitely get that one. And it's this one, as I mentioned. We're gonna be applying it to the entire dresser to get off the coat off the entire thing, because we're changing the color of the entire thing. Oh, and we're also sanding it down, which you'll see in a little bit. Hey fam, so yes, it is a brand new day. We didn't finish last night, so we're gonna pick up today, and we have stripped off all of the stain from off of the dresser and the drawers, which I'm so happy about. So take a look at what it's looking like right now. This is it. As you can see, the stain, most of it is gone. I still have a little bit in some areas, but that's fine. This can be painted over right now, but all the clear coat that was on it, everything is now completely gone. So now we can get to work. We also started sanding down the top already, but we have a little bit more sanding to do, and then we can continue. And then here are the drawers as well. You see, so this is the color that it's coming from, because these are the night tables, and that's, see the difference? So it's time for us to get to work. Great bonding, don't you think?
Look, and who do we have here? Right now. Hey, hello you. What are we doing? Hey. Hello. This is the top primer. Look at that. Prime time priming. Look at it. Beautiful work. Picasso. Picasso, honey. Picasso.
This is the mirror. We already started priming it, so sorry I didn't get to record it from before, but you get a gist of it. It was this black with this gold accent, and it has these details on it that, you know, look kind of antique, but I think that it has a very good potential. So that's what it looks like. We're still priming. We're in the priming phase right now, which is what you're seeing that was applied to this dresser right here, this white. And then we're gonna apply the paint very soon, but I'm gonna get a much smaller paintbrush to get into these smaller spaces, because we're gonna leave the top in this natural color for now, and then we'll decide if we change it later on. So right now we finished priming the dresser and we're ready for painting. We'll prime it and we cover the top with some plastic because we're not gonna be painting the top as yet. At least we're ready to go. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? I'm excited.
So we got this paint gun.
Yeah, it's a spray gun, but it's not doing what we thought it would have done.
It's not being efficient.
It's not efficient. It's taking way too long and way too much effort to just press the trigger. How's it going?
Slow and steady. Josh, what is he doing now?
Painting the drawer is black because we had a black before, but it was like not a very black. It was kind of like a dark gray black, so now we got real black.
Real black.
Real black, true black. Now we went over it so that we can have a black dresser that we intended to. So,
as you can see, there's paint in her face because she's rushed the painter.
paint in my face?
I want to tell you.
How can I reach it on my face?
You don't know. For the past 2 days, we are paint or spray paint this, or spray paint that, all kind of furniture. You see them. You see them here. Furniture. Your kitchen bar stools. What else we spray paint? We're spray painting, working on this mirror here. You'll see the finished product. And every single day, this lady get paint in her hair. Not one day no pass. So it's like she said, alright, now go paint again today. And I put something on and cover up this thing now.
Do not buy this paint gun.
It's called, what's it called?
Cashapp brand.
Yeah, 20 volt max.
Yeah, I think it's like $100 in Target. No, $100 in
most departments.
Most departments don't get it. The battery sucks.
So right now she raised the battery right now. Get the try them sprayed. Look like something catch right there, so. Might have to go over that again.
Yeah.
The color finish that we're gonna mix with the black. They already tell them, Lynn? Alright guys, so Rush got all the drawers painted black here, and this is the dresser. The dresser is already painted and we're just waiting for it to dry, but we're trying to decide on the handles. Actually, we kind of already decided, but we're still unsure. So here's what, help us to decide what color handle we should put to complement this black dresser here that we're doing. What color handle you think would go well with these black dresser? Put in the comment section and your color just may be the one that we choose. So we're actually marking off where we're going to put the the new handles, so we can drill the hole in the right spot so it don't look butch batch. You get me? And once we get that drill, then we'll put on a new handle and then you can see what color it is going to be.
The handles are over there.
Stay tuned for the handle color.
Rochielin, 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 with the vlogging. Rochielin, 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 a good thing, DIY thing. Traveling, exploring, touring. A little ear thing, a little teaching, a be a fun thing, cause she not boring. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's Rochielin. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Cause she not boring.
Right now we're staging it so that we can take photos, so that we can get it so quickly. So we got a rug and we have a lamp. We're gonna put this on top and what do you guys think?
Rochielin, 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 with the vlogging. Rochielin, Rochielin, Rochielin.
Thank you all for watching.
DIY thing, traveling, exploring, touring. A little ear thing, a little teaching, a be a fun thing, cause she not boring. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's Rochielin.